Y'all look at Boxy and his little feet. She hate people. She hate people. Give me a pop. Give him a pop. Hey, mommy. Hey, mama, baby. Give mommy a kiss. Ah. Hey, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Porchia Nicole here, and I am back with another video. Today's video will be a little different. This video is in collaboration with BoxyCharm, and years ago, before I started my YouTube channel, I used to order my own subscription box from BoxyCharm, and I got it for like years, and then I stopped getting it because I was overseas at the time and they wasn't delivering to where we was at that time, and then they had started, and then I was getting just so much because it's so much stuff that come in these boxes that I was getting overwhelmed being overseas in a little space, so I had stopped it. But since then they have improved like so much, and they have added so many new things and big things in the box. Back in the day, I used to feel like it wasn't things in there that catered to my skin tone, but I can say now that is like totally not the case. It do have things in the box that that will fit me and anyone else. So yes. So if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. It is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty items, and in the box, you know, range from $125 and up. So it is a good value for your $25. The box includes makeup, skincare, you know, brushes, stuff like that. It's an array of different things in the box. They have really good known brands in the box, and I can say that is a change from years ago. Like, it used to be like indie stuff in the box, stuff you probably hadn't heard of, but now they have major brands in their box. I mean, I'm talking Becca, MAC, Tarte, like Dominique Cosmetics, like stuff that you know of in the box now. So I was like, okay, BoxyCharm, they done stepped up. Boo, they done stepped up their game since when I was a subscriber. I do know that, like, if you're new, if you sign up now, that each person that sign up in the regular subscription, you can like choose one of your items that go in your box, and then they also have like a luxe subscription, and the deluxe can choose like 2 to 3 things that go in a box. So it is kind of personable now. So we're just gonna get into the boxes. So I have like 4 boxes because when I was working with them, they was sending me their boxes and I was not getting them. I don't know what was going on, but I wasn't getting the boxes for months. And then all of a sudden I found the boxes. The boxes was in the mail postal area, but it wasn't in my box. It was getting put in like somebody's box who doesn't even stay, like the apartment was empty or something like that. So for months I wasn't getting the BoxyCharm boxes, and me and the lady was like, we don't know what's going on. And that's what was happening. The postman was putting them in the wrong postal box. So I do have like 5 boxes here. So we're gonna do, which is great because now I can show you like the variety of each month, of how it is consistent each month. Is you don't just get bull crap one month, good stuff this month, nothing this, you know what I'm saying? So I can show you. So it's probably a good thing that I wasn't getting the boxes. So now I can show you like great stuff. So the first box I'm gonna show you was the July box. Yes, you guys, I started working with them in July and it's freaking December, but y'all know I wasn't getting the boxes, and then I was away for school for 2 months. So now when I came back from school is when I figured out the box thing. So yes, so the July box is here, and I want to tell you, if you go on their website, so in your box you have up to 5 items, but on their website, if you look at the boxes for that month, it'll be a lot of items that could be in your box. So even though you're get 5 items, it's out of like 15 items, so you get one of those 5 items. So this was the picture of the July box that they showed, and this is the July box that I received. In the July box, it did come with the Glam Glow Instant Mud. I'm gonna go through these kind of quickly because I have a lot of boxes. It did come with the Butter London eyeshadow palette, and this is the palette. It also came with a Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and I was like, okay. So then it also came with these brushes. And also in the July box, it had a what is this? Some kind of lip product. A lip product, which is actually super cute. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's cute. And then and a gel liner. And y'all know if this was at Sephora, this size right here would be $25. You hear me? So now we're gonna move on to the August box, and this was the picture of the August box that was on the website. These are the items that I got for in the August box. In the August box right here, so it did come with this liner, lip pencil, whatever, and it also came with this glass skin refining serum. So yeah, that's your face item. So it also came with Glow Head Eliminator face oil. So yeah, these are just things. And then it also came with these eyeshadows. I'm not gonna swatch them because some of this stuff, y'all have so much makeup that some of this stuff I'm going to do big giveaways with. Okay everyone, this was the September box, and the September box looks really fun. I was like, oh my god, there's a lot of stuff in here, but I did not touch it because I wanted to make sure I waited and to show you guys this box. So the first thing that's in it is a Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, and y'all know Violet Voss has good palettes, and look at that, like that is awesome. Look at this black, like it has some really cool colors in here. In the box, so it does come with this paper, and this paper explains to you the items that are in the box. Y'all, this lighting is crazy in here. It explains to you the items that are in the box, and it also tells you the price of the items that was in the box. So like this Violet Voss eyeshadow palette goes for $29. So boom, you already made your money back, your $25 back off of the thing. It also came with the Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask, which seems pretty good, and this thing goes for $52. So boom, Dr. Brandt is expensive too. It also came with some eyeshadow brushes, this Hank and Henry eyeliner, and a brow pencil, which I'm really hoping that this color is brown. No, it's taupe, so taupe will be too light for me, but this eyeliner is in brickety black and I can wear that. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all what's super cool that's in here. Look, look at this. Look at this Tarte palette in here. Y'all know Tarte is one of the medium high brands, okay? And I'm gonna show you this thing. So this retails for $45, and it is in your BoxyCharm box. So it's called the Face Shaping Palette, but this looks very luxurious. It has a nice mirror in here. I would use this just for the freaking mirror, and that black shadow in here, and this brown, this timber brown right here is awesome, and this smoke brown, and that black looks really nice. So yes, this is a great thing that was in the box. Now I do not know what happened to my October box. It was delivered to my house because it says delivered on the tracking, but y'all know in October I was away in school, so I think someone stole the box. So the October box was really good, and I wish I would have got my box, but some little heathen stole my box. And I could have told the lady that the box was missing, but by that time it was already November and I had the November box, so I was like, whatever. So this was the November box, and I'm really excited about the November box because of these two items right here. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, so in the November box, it did come with a Becca foundation card, and I'm very excited about this because they are dark colors. So I'm like, did they know I was dark? Because you know you have a profile on there, and you can say in your profile like your skin tone and stuff, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, they did put the dark colors in here, and I was like, how did you know? It also came with two BoxyCharm brushes, and these brushes are super soft. I'm like, ooh, what? I don't even know what they're used for. Like, are they for contouring? They're the same, just one's Big Daddy and one's Hot Mama. Y'all ever been with Paint with a Twist? That's the name of the brushes. So yeah, these feels, I don't know what they're for though. Maybe they're for Couture. You think? Yeah. Also, it came with the Becca Champagne Pop. Y'all remember when a girl collaborated with them to do this? And I actually have a champagne pop, so I know that I like this champagne pop because I have one. It also came with the Dominique Cosmetic palette, and I've been wanting to try her out, so it's so exciting that it came. You got, look at this brick orange, and look at this other one here. Look at this pink. Oh, look at these shimmery colors. I don't know if y'all getting the true color of these items, but yeah, I can't wait to dip into that. Or I might not dip into it. I might give it away. I don't know. But yes. And also, it is more things in this box. I also have some Tula Skincare Nourishing Brightening Masks, which are these. It's some Quench and Glow Serum. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. Boom. Yes, you guys, if you want to check out BoxyCharm for yourself, my link will be down below. It is an affiliate link. I didn't make anything for this video. However, if you do subscribe using my link, I will get like a small commission for it. I don't see, you know, a bad thing about subscribing to BoxyCharm. Like I said, you get to test out all these different brands and stuff, all these different makeup brands, and just, it's for $25. And you know, for some, $25 will be a lot, and with that, that is understandable, but you can stop your subscription at any time. So yes, you guys, that is all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, if you think it was informational, if BoxyCharm is something that you already subscribe to, please let me know down below. If you're thinking about subscribing to it, or make sure you leave it down below, and so we can talk about it. So yeah, please make sure you like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.